How to install Audacity in Windows PC. First open web browser and type Audacity, and this is the official website, audacityteam.org. Click on this website. This is the official website, and here is the option to download Audacity. So now click on download Audacity. Now here you can choose Audacity according to your Windows operating system. So mine is a Windows 8.1, so I will click on Windows 10. Now here you can select Audacity versions. We have two files here. The one is installer file, which includes user manual, and the second one is a zip file, which is without user manual. You can download any one of these once you will click on there. Now we are here at fosshub.com, and here you have to select the operating system version. I will download the Windows installer, so click on Windows installer. As you can see, the download has been started. Audacity has been downloaded completely. So now I will open the file. Click on show in folder. So here is the Audacity Win 2.4.2 version .exe file. Click on .exe file. Click on run. Click on OK English. Select your language English. Click on next. You can select create desktop shortcut, or you can also unselect this. So I will select it. Click on next. Click on install. Again click on next and click on finish. So this is how you can install Audacity on your PC. Now you can use Audacity for editing audio files. So this is how you can install Audacity on your PC. Thanks for watching.